Hello everyone. Today we are diving into Summarize Written Text. This task looks simple. You see a passage and you have to write a one sentence summary. But there's a big difference between just doing the task and getting a perfect score. Depending on the type of the text you get, your strategy needs to be shifted. Let's look at how to handle both formal and conversational passages effectively. Firstly, you can copy and paste the key phrases, but they must be woven together into one cohesive, effective sentence. Don't just string random words together, ensure the logic flows. But copy paste may not work for conversational or informal passage, so this is where you have to paraphrase. So, how to paraphrase? Rephrase the idea, say the exact thing, but in a completely new way. Focus on the point the author is making, not just the words they used. Swap the vocabulary, use synonyms instead of the exact words. Alter the sentence, change the skeleton of the sentence. It's like if the sentence is he eats rice, make it rice is eaten by him. That means active to passive. Keep it lean. Avoid copying very long phrases. Short, sharp, and original is always better. And remember one thing, your response must be one single sentence ending in a full stop. So, in this passage, you can see that I will copy some sentences and paraphrase a little. And I will make sure that the sentences correlate with each other and make it logical. Here I'm typing the first line as it is. So my first line is the cat-human relationship's significant historical milestone often centers on ancient Egypt, where cats were elevated. I will skip the cherished and pets. I will directly add elevated as pets with humans around 4,000 years ago. Now I will add a line which don't just directly correlate but also keeps the meaning of the sentences. So now I will add a line from the middle of the passage, and now let's look for it. In this case, you can choose any line from the passage, but you have to make sure that what you're writing, you know the meaning and it's logical. My favorite line is recognizing the invaluable role cats played in controlling these pests, and human initiated a partnership and sought to retain the presence of cats. Then finally, I'm adding a line from the last of the passage that the evolving relationship with cats that transcended geographical boundaries and ultimately shaping the intertwined history of two species. Now, I'm going to check my spellings, that if I made any spelling mistake or not. And I know I did. Let's read through it. The cat-humans relationship's historical milestone often centers on ancient Egypt, where cats were elevated to pets with humans 4,000 years ago, and recognizing the invaluable role cats played in controlling pests. Human initiated a partnership and sought to retain the presence of cats, whereas the evolving relationship with the cats that transcended geographical boundaries, the intertwined history of two species. Okay. So now that you saw the practice and know the strategies, let me make some notes for you. Firstly, you can copy paste, but don't just string together random words. It should be woven together in a one cohesive and effective sentence. And then you have to paraphrase when it's an informal or conversational passage. And when you paraphrase, you have to rephrase the idea, alter the sentence, and swap the vocabulary. Keep it lean and make it in only one sentence. Don't forget to check your spellings twice. Last but not the least, submit the answers before the time expires. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.